This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Johnson Sikiti. Contemporary home in the Meadows Development. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with a large office and laundry. The kitchen has modern soft close cabinets, stainless steel appliances, quartz counters, a tiled backsplash, and a large breakfast bar. The primary suite has a beautiful walk-in tiled shower with a bench and rain shower head. Walk-in custom closet with built-in cabinets. Speakers in the ceilings, AC, electrostatic filter for your air, front deck to enjoy your view. 2 entrances to this home. You can park on Bryan CT in your garage and walk up the stairs to your home, or park on Rossie Lane and walk into your home. Home is a 0-lot line. Walking distance to elementary and middle school. Walking trails in the meadows and a tree-lined boulevard. For more information, review the details below.